In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Google Docs. If you want to remove a Google Docs file completely, the process happens in two parts. First, you send the file to the trash, and then you permanently delete it from the trash in Google Drive. It's important to know that deleting a file forever means you won't be able to restore it later, so make sure you've selected the correct document before you confirm anything. Start by opening Google Drive. This is where your Google Docs files are stored and managed. Once you're in Google Drive, find the Google Docs file you want to delete. If you have a lot of files, take a moment to carefully check the file name so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. When you've found the document, right-click the file and select Move to Trash. This removes it from your main Drive view, but it is not permanently deleted yet. Think of this as the first stage of deletion. The file is still recoverable while it's in the trash. Next, look to the left sidebar in Google Drive and click Trash. This opens the area where recently deleted files are stored. Inside the trash, find the same Google Docs file again. Since this is the version you're about to delete permanently, it's a good idea to double-check the file name one more time before continuing. Once you've located it, right-click the file and select Delete Forever. Google Drive will usually show a confirmation message at this point because this action is permanent. Go ahead and confirm the deletion to finish the process. After you confirm, the Google Doc will be permanently removed from Google Drive and can no longer be restored from the trash. That's the key difference between moving a file to trash and deleting it forever. Moving it to trash is temporary, but deleting it forever is final. One quick tip. If you only want to clean up your drive but aren't completely sure about deleting a document, you may want to leave it in the trash temporarily instead of permanently deleting it right away. But if your goal is full removal, completing both parts of this process is essential. And that's how to permanently delete Google Docs using Google Drive. Follow these steps carefully, especially during the final confirmation, and you'll be able to remove unwanted documents completely and confidently.